Ever wondered how to restore the shine of your oven? Well, today we're diving into the world of deep cleaning, specifically focusing on your oven. You'll be amazed at how simple and effective these steps are. Firstly, it's time to tackle the oven racks. Remove them from your oven and let them soak in a sink filled with warm, soapy water. This will work its magic in loosening the grime and grease that has built up over time. Now the oven interior calls for attention. Mix baking soda with water to create a paste. This is going to be your secret weapon in tackling the tough spots inside your oven. Apply this paste onto the walls and floor of the oven, focusing particularly on those stubborn spots. Next, grab a sponge or a non-abrasive scrubbing pad. Use this to gently scrub the baking soda paste into the oven surfaces. This process is essential to break down and lift any stubborn grease and food residue that's been clinging onto your oven interior. After you've given the entire oven interior a good scrub, it's time to wipe away the baking soda paste. Use a damp cloth to do this, ensuring you reach all the nooks and crannies. You'll start to see the fruits of your labor now. Turning attention back to the oven racks, give them a good scrub with the soapy water. Once you've cleaned them thoroughly, rinse and dry them before placing them back in their rightful place inside the oven. And voila! You've deep cleaned your oven, restoring its shine and making it look as good as new. By following these steps, you've not only cleaned your oven, but also ensured its longevity. Regular deep cleaning of this kind will help keep your oven in top shape, ensuring it continues to perform at its best. In summary, deep cleaning your oven involves soaking and scrubbing the oven racks, creating and applying a baking soda paste to the oven interior, and wiping it all clean. The result is a sparkling, clean oven that's ready to take on your next culinary adventure. Remember, a clean oven is a happy oven, so happy cleaning!